I was paying for 300 Mbps, but my phone was getting 42. Same router, same plan. And the reason made zero sense. After fixing just one hidden setting, my speed jumped to over 200 instantly. No upgrade, no new router. And the worst part? I had been doing this wrong for years. You probably are too. At first, I thought my router was broken, so I kept restarting it every day. But that was actually making things worse. Most people unplug their router for 5 seconds. That's not a restart. That's a pause. Routers store temporary memory. If you don't wait at least 30 seconds, that junk stays inside. I tried it properly once, and instantly got more stable speed. But this is where it gets interesting. Even after fixing that, my Wi-Fi still sucked in half my house. Turns out, my router wasn't the problem. Its location was. I had it sitting low, in a corner, basically the worst place possible. Wi-Fi doesn't spread like a spotlight. It spreads like ripples in water. So when it's low, half the signal goes into the floor. I moved mine higher, just a few feet. Suddenly, my garage and even backyard had signal. Same router. Way better coverage. But then something weird happened. Even with full signal, my speed was still inconsistent. That's when I found the real hidden issue. Your Wi-Fi isn't alone. It's competing with every network around you. And most routers use the exact same default channel. It's like everyone driving in the same lane. I switched to a less crowded channel, and boom, speed jumped again. No plan upgrade. Nothing. But this next one surprised me the most. Even when you're not using them, your devices are stealing speed. Old phones, smart TVs, tablets, even guest devices you forgot about. They quietly run in the background. I checked my router list, removed a few unknown devices, and got an instant speed boost again. Fewer devices equals more speed. But this is the mistake almost nobody understands. Most routers actually create two networks, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. One goes farther, the other is much faster. If your phone or laptop is using 2.4, you're sacrificing speed without realizing it. I switched to 5 GHz, and everything felt instantly faster. Same internet. Completely different experience. So if your Wi-Fi feels slow, it's probably not your internet. It's small mistakes stacking up. And if your speed is still bad after this, there's one hidden setting most routers keep turned off, and it can outperform even expensive mesh systems.